What are we doing for work and how are we traveling so much? That is literally the number one question that I get whenever I talk about how me and my husband are living abroad. So let's talk about it. Just in case you have never seen me a day in your life, my name is Bianca Lynch and I show everyday people just like you how to travel the world without breaking the bank. So hit that follow button if you have not already. So one thing that I talk about on this page, and I also talk about it a lot whenever I go live, is the importance of having not only multiple streams of income, but also the importance of having income streams that you can do from anywhere in the world. And I'm not out here telling you that you have to go, quit your job. At the end of the day, you get to choose the life that you want, the lifestyle that you want. But in 2018, I decided to start getting serious about building income streams that I can do from anywhere in the world. And I have had remote jobs in the past too, but like as of right now, I have 10 streams of income and all of them are something that I can do from anywhere in the world. So primarily it is affiliate marketing and digital marketing, and I talk about both of those in my cash flow come up checklist, which you can grab from my Stand store. And then my husband is actually a personal trainer for a really long time. He does like corrective exercise stuff as well, but he can take clients virtually. He is actually currently looking for remote jobs because he wants to be more busy. I don't. But we're opposite. That's it is what it is. But yeah, I always try to empower people to come up with other ways to make money so that you don't have to depend on a job and you don't have to ask permission to travel. But let me know if you have any other questions about any of the income streams or anything about travel.